Get ahead of the game, New York SMBs. Let's demystify NYDFS compliance together. Ensuring your business is NYDFS compliant doesn't have to be daunting. At CardinalsByte.com, we've got your back. Start with a cybersecurity risk assessment. This vital step helps identify potential threats to your business. First, take inventory of your digital assets. Know what data you have and where it's stored. Next, evaluate your current security measures. Are they up to snuff? Then develop a plan. Outline actionable steps to address any vulnerabilities. Finally, don't forget to document everything. NYDFS requires detailed records of your assessments and actions. Remember, cybersecurity is an ongoing process. Regularly update your assessments and stay vigilant. With CardinalsByte.com, staying compliant is simple and straightforward. Empower your business and protect your future today. Visit CardinalsByte.com for more tips and resources.